Good morning to Chaos Central. This is what my office looks like when I'm in the process of creating a new program for the schools. And this program is very important. This program is called Up in a Cloud of Smoke, which means I want to take an assembly program and address the issue of vaping in our schools. I know it's a huge problem, it's a huge concern for parents and teachers, and I want to address it in a fun, educational way that will help discourage kids from vaping. But I need your help. I need to know what you would like to see in a program like this. I have a good idea. I have my 3 themes, but I'm constructing the program around input from teachers. The other thing that I'm seeking is I want this to be a huge program that affects a lot of schools. So I'm also inquiring about people that you may know, or groups or organizations that you think may be willing to sponsor such a program so that I can get it to the schools who maybe can't afford to have an assembly program. Just a couple of the things that the hurdles I'm trying to overcome, and my goal is very aggressive. I'm going to try to have this ready to go by January 1st. It's a huge goal, but I'm going to give it a shot, and I hope that I can do it. But I can do it with your help. So if you have any information that you'd like to share with me, whether it be ideas of what should be in the program, how I should go about presenting it, or suggestions for sponsorships, that would also help a lot. I would greatly appreciate it. This is Brian Richards, owner of 4Ace Productions. You've probably seen one of my programs in your schools before, whether it be Kids Who Read Are Cool, Seuss on the Loose, Making It All Add Up, Dare to Be You, Inspector Potential. This program, I think, though, will be my biggest program, and I hope it affects a lot of kids to make a difference in their lives. Thanks.